Hello guys! Welcome po sa panibago kong video. So ngayon po ay gagawa po tayo ngayon ng vlog. So tara na guys! Our topic for today is the effects of organic fertilizer, vermicompost on the growth of mung bean, Munggo plant. Our goal is analyze the effects of the fertilizer on the growth of plants and answer the given questions. Content: identify the components, then classify, then what type of compounds. Science: demonstrates understanding of key concepts of variations. Math: demonstrates understanding of how Anglo-American literature and other text types serve as means of enhancing self, also how to use processing, assessing, summarizing information, word derivation, information strategies. Appropriate word order, punctuation marks, and interjections to enable him or her to participate actively in speech choir English. Okay, let's read the article first. Effects of organic fertilizer vermicompost on the growth of mung bean mango plant. I'll give you time to read and understand it. If you need more time, then post it. Okay, if you're done reading the article, study this table and answer the given questions that follows. Okay, now we're done. We're gonna read these materials used in planting Munggo. Munggo. Mung bean is a dry seed as one of the major pulse crops of South and Southeast Asia and the excellent source of plant protein. The dried seed of green gram contains of 23.6 protein, 58.2% carbohydrates, 1.2 fats, 3.3% fibers, 5.7 to 7.6 milligrams or 100 grams iron, and 4% minerals. Soil. Soil is composed of both biotic living and once-living things like plants and insects and abiotic materials, non-living factors like minerals, water, and air. Soil contains of air, water, and minerals as well as plant and animal matter, both living and dead. These soil components fall into two categories. Fertilizer. Typically, fertilizers are composed of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium compounds. They also contain trace elements that improve the growth of plants. The primary components in fertilizers are nutrients, which are vital for plants' growth. Plants use nitrogen in the synthesis of proteins, nucleic acids, and hormones. Type of compound. Fertilizer. Other common and fertilizer forms are ammonium nitrate, CAN, triple superphosphate, TSP is the most commonly used phosphorus fertilizer form. Other forms common on markets in SSA are diammonium phosphate and single superphosphate. Potassium is commonly applied as muriate of potash. Types of compound. Soil. Soil is a mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids, and organisms that together support life. Earth's body of soil, called pedosphere, has four important functions: as a medium for plant growth, as a means of water storage, supply, and purification. Key concepts of variations. A relationship where one quantity is constant multiplied by another quantity is called direct variation. Two variables that are directly proportional to the one another will have a constant ratio. A relationship where quantity is divided by another quantity is called inverse variation. Guide questions. A. Which of the three plots recorded the highest numbers of leaves, longest stem, and the greatest number of sprouted seeds? Write the average number of leaves, average length of stem, and number of seeds sprouted. Why do you think so? Answer. Plot 3. Stem 9 cm, leaves 8 cm, seeds 99 cm. Because the amount of the fertilizer were put is 30 grams, so that's why it has the longest stem, highest number of leaves, and greatest number of sprouted seeds, and fertilizer contains elements that improve the growth of the plant. Guide questions B. Which of the three plants has the least number of leaves, shortest length of stem, and least number of sprouted seeds? Write the average number of leaves, average length of stem, and number of seeds sprouted. Why do you think so? Answer. Plat 1, stem 3, leaves 2, seeds 2. Because it has the least amount of fertilizer. That's why it has the least of number of leaves, shortest length of stem, and the least number of sprouted seeds. Guide question C. How will you relate the amount of fertilizer applied for each plant to the growth rate of mung bean, manga seeds? Answer. It's like the direct variation because you put the higher amount of fertilizer, then the plant will have long stem, many leaves, and many sprouted seeds. Guide questions D. As a student, do you think the use of organic fertilizer is advantageous? Why or why not? Answer. Yes, if the plant is just for displays or for fun only, but if they're planning to sell those, they shouldn't use fertilizers like that because there is a chance that the plant carries bacteria or viruses and can infect people. On English, we will only summarize all our learnings about the effect of the fertilizer to the beans. To summarize all our learnings, I realized that fertilizer is important to other people in growing plants, but in our foods it's dangerous because there is chance that plant carries bacteria enough to kill humans or animals. What's more is that I learned what is the effect of the vermicompost or the fertilizer on our plants. So, doon na po nagtatapos yung vlog ko. Kung nagustuhan niyo po yung video ko, please consider like and subscribe and share niyo na rin po para po matuto po yung ibang mga estudyante.